If you try to install Claude Code using npm, after the installation, you get an error message like this. The term Claude is not recognized as the name of cmdlet. This error occurs just because there is a missing file path in your environment variable. That's why you have to set the environment variable. To do so, you must have to know from where your npm is installed. To know this, we have to type a command, that is npm config get prefix. So just copy the command npm config get prefix. I will provide you this command list in my video description, and we can get the file path of where Node.js is installed. So copy the path and look for environment variable. Just click on Windows button and search for environment variable. Click on the environment variable and search for path. Double click it and tap on new, paste. Okay. And now if you type Claude, then we'll successfully get our Claude code in our system. Here you can see. That's all for me. Thank you everyone.